Hello students, welcome back. Here's another science video, this time on the scientific method. Here we go. First rap of the year, the scientific method. Lend me your ear as I explain it splendid. An approach to science with no assumptions. Follow these steps to clear up the confusion. Starts with a problem in the form of a question. What are you trying to solve? Focus the session. You might wonder which minty toothpaste is best, or what's the perfect amount of sleep when you rest. Do some background research, educate yourself, read background information off the science bookshelf to form a hypothesis, an educated guess, a prediction of what happens next. I stress, I set up the experiment, follow the steps. These procedures test the hypothesis. Change just one thing, independent variable, control stays the same, makes it reliable. The control group's not tested, used to compare, just sits there. Experimental group's the tested truth. The data we collect to measure the change is the dependent variable. I know it sounds strange. Data can be qualitative, describes the state of color, shape, texture, input from your senses. Quantitative data is the opposite, uses numbers, amounts and distance, measurable wonders. In the discussion, evaluate the experiment, determine what worked for you and then what didn't. Now look at your data, read every column. Lastly, the conclusion, it answers the problem. Back to the beginning. What was your question? Answer it now with scientific precision. Onto some equipment we used in the labs. A graduated cylinder is marked out with tabs. Measures liquid volume in milliliters. Read the bottom of the meniscus, you cheaters. The triple beam balance has 3 beams and riders. Measures mass in grams, you be the decider. In science, no inches. Use a metric ruler. Measures length accurate like a jeweler. Mass is the measure of the matter in an object. Cannot be changed, cannot be wrecked. Volume is the space that an object takes up. Measure some water, fill up the cup. So these are the terms for our opening unit. The test is coming soon, so start to chew on it. Scientific method with all of its steps. 3 pieces of fancy lab equipment.